Get ready to feel the adrenaline surge as massive trees, monstrous chainsaws, and the raw power of nature are unleashed. This video pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of logging. Whoa, felling a leaning giant like that is a real process, isn't it? I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just wondering who'd be brave enough to take it down. Then an awesome crew shows up, smiles all around, and they just handle it like it's nothing. The image is forever etched in my mind.
That is...
Here it comes.
Whoa! Oops. Oh, man.
Felling a tree is a serious undertaking. It's not just about grabbing a saw and going to town. A meticulous approach is crucial, with each step carefully planned and executed. Here it comes.
Yeah, that's why I put the harness on. Oh my God, I haven't died. My heart fell to the ground. This guy. Wow. That's why I took the harness off when that fell in and fell with it. I'm back up. Jeez.
The Tiger Cat 630H dominates the forest. Its six-wheel drive, high-torque engine, and massive grapple ensure unstoppable log skidding. Precision, power, and pure efficiency in every haul. I know what you're thinking. No way those horses can do that. But guess what? They did. This amazing video proves that sometimes reality is more incredible than we can imagine. Whoa, that's one massive Doug fir. 7 feet across, huh? Sadly, advanced decay has taken hold, but the base might still harbor some usable timber. Heavy conch growth and rot halfway up nature's reclaiming it. But hey, it went out with a bang. Check out this Fendt 942 Vario. This beast is paired with a Jens Hem 583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Vario's got the muscle to handle any terrain, and the Hem 583 can chew through massive logs like they're twigs. This combo is all about efficiency and power, maximizing productivity for any forestry operation. The saying, "It's the tree that decides how it falls," always holds true. Whoa, check out this beastly Cat 349F in action. That 61-inch bucket is insane. But hold up, no thumb. How are they going to handle those massive stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction content. The moment I saw that face cut, I knew exactly what was going to happen. Glad no one got hurt. I've conquered snowy roads across Europe, but SRS truckers are next level, hauling massive logs through treacherous terrain. They turn impossible routes into routine drives. Their precision, control, and sheer resilience in extreme conditions are mind-blowing. It makes American hills look like a warm-up lap.
puente que tenemos bien feo.
¿Cuál?
Ese camión, el edificio de ahí de Camarote, que se pone bien feo, y un rancho de bien. Y el rojo, llegó también.
La madre se está volviendo. Sí. Miguel, regresémonos, Miguel. Regresemos.
Ya no va a jalar ahorita.
That Husqvarna 395 XP is a fine tool, no doubt. But remember, folks, felling a tree that size is a serious undertaking. It's twice as hard and twice as dangerous as anybody thinks. Always prioritize safety. Ever seen a pro logger in action? They're like tree whisperers, sensing every subtle shift. That's how they keep themselves and everyone around safe.
There she goes.
The power. It's mind-blowing. I can't believe how quickly it sliced through that wood. Impressed. That was intense. I've never seen a truck handle a slippery slope like that. It's like the truck and the driver are dancing a dangerous tango. I wouldn't even attempt that in my wildest dreams. Whoa, that was intense. I had no idea logging could be so acrobatic. I'm definitely going to stick to chopping firewood in my backyard. Forget your fancy trucks. This Belarus MTZ 12-Poly 1.2 tractor with its DIY trailer is the real MVP of logging. Watch it navigate a muddy forest like a boss, proving that sometimes the best solutions are the ones you build yourself. The Norwood Porta-Mill PM14, priced at $880 USD, is a portable sawmill that transforms your chainsaw into a milling tool for logs up to 14 inches in diameter. This affordable solution offers professional milling capabilities without the cost of a full-size sawmill, making it perfect for those needing occasional lumber production. Holy smokes! Did you see that thing go? It's like a wood-eating tornado, stripping that log bare in the blink of an eye. I've never seen anything like it. Transporting tons of wood on roads like these is a real challenge. Things don't always go smoothly, and you need to be prepared for unexpected risks at all times. Oh my gosh, that's gotta be the craziest thing I've seen all week. Seriously though, hope everyone's okay. And dude, next time, just hire a tree service.
Oh shit.
Even a beast like the Valmet 843 must bow to Mother Nature's wrath. Mud, the eternal nemesis of logging trucks, has claimed its prize. A payload abandoned, a temporary surrender. But freedom is the ultimate victory. video blew your mind? Your support fuels our creative fire. Despite challenging road conditions due to recent rainfall, our timber hauling operation continues uninterrupted. Our heavy machinery is well equipped to handle adverse terrain. Even when we try to adjust the direction in which the tree falls, in the end, the tree itself decides which way it will fall.
Gonna go. Yeah, it's teetering. Wrong way.
A fallen tree doesn't mean safety. You only know its true condition after an incident, just like this man, who didn't realize how much tension the tree was under. This is exactly why most professional logging takes place in the middle of winter. When precision meets power, even giants tremble. A Husqvarna 390 XPG, a Steel 36 Spar, and a skilled hand bring down a titan of the forest. The air crackles with anticipation as steel meets bark, a symphony of power and precision. Prepare to be captivated as this majestic giant succumbs to its inevitable fate. All right, folks, I want to show you something that'll blow your mind. This right here is the John Deere 1270E harvester with the H425 head. It's a productivity monster with 255 horsepower, an 8.6 meter crane reach, and a head that can cut through trees up to 750 millimeters in diameter. Big trees? No problem. Now, it's not cheap, coming in at $331,000 for the 1270E and $47,000 for the H425. But trust me, the investment is worth it. This is a stark reminder of the power of nature. Removing the root ball is a delicate operation, fraught with risk. That's why we rely on experienced professionals and top-of-the-line equipment. Safety is paramount. Every cut is calculated, every movement deliberate. Today we saw a textbook example of how to get the job done right. A job well done, and a victory for safety. Nature never ceases to amaze me, but sometimes human decisions leave us scratching our heads. I don't really get why they cut it down, but I guess there's a reason for everything. What do you guys think? Maybe we can learn something from this? Forestry friends, get ready to be amazed. The Ponzi Scorpion King and H7 Harvester Head are here to revolutionize the way we work with nature. It's like a high five between technology and sustainability. With this powerful duo, we can harvest timber efficiently while minimizing our impact on the environment. Let's give a cheer for innovation and responsible forestry. Sheer exhilaration. Imagine yourself at the helm of this magnificent beast. a John Deere skidder, as it effortlessly dances through the forest. The roar of its engine is music to your ears, a symphony of power and precision. You feel an adrenaline rush as you conquer challenging slopes and haul colossal logs with ease. It's an adventure that awakens your inner child. Wow, this is a terrible road, isn't it, guys? I really can't drive on a road like this. These people are amazing. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, so stay tuned for more mind-blowing machinery and epic feats.